GCSE Biology is arguably one of the most difficult GCSEs that there is, but with the right method of preparation, you can easily smash your GCSE Biology exams. GCSE exams have started, and so if you're struggling with biology, you've come to the right place. Now in this video, I'll detail the methods that I use to achieve a level 9 in GCSE Biology. Hi, my name's AliMahdi. I'm a year 13 student studying biology, chemistry and maths at A-level. I was able to achieve a level 9 in GCSE Biology, so I want to share with you some words of wisdom and advice on how you can achieve a level 9 as well. The first thing you need to do is to understand the format of your exams. So to make sure you know how many papers you'll be sitting, how long each one of them are, and the different types of questions that could come up. Now this will really help to plan your revision and manage your time effectively. Now my second tip is to make a revision schedule. So once you understand the exam format, you can create a schedule to help with your revision. This will help you to stay on track and ensure you cover all the topics that you need to. Now this doesn't have to take long. It can simply take half an hour to an hour just to plan everything, and this will really help to reduce your stress later on and guide you with your studies. But it's important to be realistic with your schedule and make sure you leave enough time for each topic, but also give yourself time to rest as well. So my third tip is to use a variety of different revision techniques. Now everyone learns differently, so it's important to use lots of different ways of revising. Personally, I would strongly recommend to stick to the more active revision techniques, using active recall, so using flashcards, doing exam style questions. Some people may find it useful to write notes and highlight notes, etc. But these are examples of passive revision techniques and may not be very useful in retaining information. And I'll talk more about this in a future video. But it's important for you to experiment with lots of different revision techniques to find what really works best for you. And my fourth tip is to do past papers. One of the best ways, if not the best way, to prepare for your exam is to do past papers. Now this will give you an idea of the types of questions that could come up and help you get used to the exam format. Initially, maybe do a past paper, perhaps not in time conditions, but as you get closer to the exam, practice under time pressure to give yourself that realistic preparation. Doing past papers is also an example of active recall, as I mentioned before. This is an example of one of the most effective ways to revise, by simply just testing yourself. And my fifth and final tip is to seek help if you need it, whether that be from a teacher or a classmate. Talk to your teacher if you're struggling with a particular topic, but your teacher has so many resources and has the knowledge to help you in areas that you may be struggling with. This is something I really wish I did more in GCSE. There's nothing to be afraid of. Your teachers are there to support you, not just in class, but also outside of class, if you go to them one-on-one to ask for help. So there you have it, my top tips for revising GCSE Biology. Remember, everyone learns differently, so find what works for you, but ensuring you're doing the most effective and efficient ways of revision. So good luck with your revision, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more advice and tips to help you with your studies.